Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix do not disturb mode in your iPhone. So guys, if do not disturb mode is not working in your iPhone and you are unable to use do not disturb mode in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, you will have to simply watch this video till the end to fix this problem in your iPhone. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and you will have to simply force restart your device from here for one time. So guys, if you want to force restart your device, simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other one, that is you will have to reset all settings in your device. So as for that, open up settings in your device and from here scroll it below, tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and from here tap on reset all settings. So guys, enter your passcode for your iPhone and reset all settings in your device, and after this go back and go back again, and from here you will have to open your general section in this settings in your iPhone. So guys, open it and from here tap on software update, and from here you will have to simply download and install the latest version of iOS in your device. So I simply install the latest version of software in your device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.